We are here once again. Hello, hello, hello. So we have a little bit of a different look. We're on a different camera. We hope to not parallel, but complement the art Soweto of Africa, Mahulu and Singisa, Thokozani. Thokozani. Thank you. We always start with a recognition of those that were here. Recognizing ancestors, the original creation, In the background, we can hear. We'll take just a second to remember, call upon ancestors. And this was a great concept, Mahulu Nsingisa, in that people who were not able to actually be there, this gives a chance to join in globally, a global joining. A little bit of poetry, a little bit of joining in. We will continue. Welcome, we're glad you are here. Learn and grow. For me, singing can learn more languages from the global, from this earth. There are many languages. Pick them up easier in you from the song, from the singing. So we'll not be pausing. Might step away, but we'll be back. I'm going to join you. So as we see, we're following a southern calendar, and we're in the north. We know where we are. We're thankful for the north. It can be cold. No sunshine, and nobody's been friendly. These kind of things. I'm thinking about what Malajoma wrote. How if you ever want to read the big picture, the big story, Malajoma, his Christian name is Patrice Tomei. And he gives us, the medicine wheel. Nature, earth, fire, water. But it's really a great healing. It is a great healing of water and of spirit. Malajoma. Patrice Tomei. So I'm going to join in with a little bit of movement. Having a little bit of trouble. So let's move here. We say, it makes me remember that proverb. The proverb says, there's something in the heart, but not the breast. So that reminds me of the calendar, the southern calendar. About 2,000 seasons, 2,000 years ago, something happened that put a tear in the Bantu. And all that tribulation was carried for about 2,000 years. That's my interpretation of there is something in the heart, but not the breast. So again, that goes to the material and the immaterial. So let's just join in a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we will be stopping to read the coin, to provide the coin. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a tribute. She says, Tokozani, Nakawani. Tokozani means thank you. I'm thinking it means thank you. I will find out. I'm sure I will learn if it does not mean thank you, but I think that it means thank you. Tokozani, Nakawani. Nakawani would be, in my research, like darkness, all this blackness, the melanin. And again, that's on many different levels, many different layers. We're going to take these little clippers off, be right back. Wonderful. So let's try to get a little bit of poetry in here. This is called, and this is in the description, a child, a reflection. This is all from Proverbs from around the globe. A child, self-created child, cries for the night. Give it to him, or don't give the night to the child. Child is born. Child is born. Life's child does not know its death slowly in approach. When a child is born, the child doesn't know it is death that is slowly in approach. So again, there's a little bit of play on material and immaterial. Nam Kubuwan. You got to give it up for Nam Kubuwan while we try to read this poem. Self-created child, second lineage is survival. A trouble bringer who does not take trouble away. Retorting. Eating a dog, eat a fat one. Retorting. Drowning, plenty of water. Retorting, falling, get fully hurt. Retorting. Insult elder. Shame elder completely. Trouble does not look at child turning away. That defendant that defendant was acquitted. Witnesses paid the fine. Punishment warms more than the sun. One does not talk about a death wait for oneself. One does not loudly call for death wait for self. You do not point at bad luck with your finger. They always told us to do not point. Child of self-created oath cries for a razor. Do not give it to them. So the original proverb was, when a child cries for a razor, give it to him. And so if you read that description, this has been amended. Not to give the child all the child wants is not to hate the child. So we're in a day, and I think this was a day that was here long before we're here. The realization that you can still have love for the child while not giving the child all that the child wants, such as power. The child clearly is not able to handle power without destroying the whole planet. So to withhold power from the child is not to hate the child. We can still love and share love and life on a global planet, a global planet. Now, I will join in. Want to join in? They're saying Nough. Join in, and we're going to finish out, and that will be pretty much this video clip. Remember to read descriptions. Remember to like, to share, to sign up, to use your positive eye, your positive mind. So it looks like the music kind of played out. So let us pause, and we will finish up with just a little bit of movement, just a little bit, just a little bit. Thank you for being here. I am so glad. I am so glad that you are here. Let's pause.